In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you add admin on Facebook page. First, launch your Facebook app. Now, you will need to navigate to the menu page. Now, switch to the Facebook page. For that, click on this icon, then select the Facebook page. Once you have selected and switched to the Facebook page, now again navigate to your menu page and click on the settings icon. Head over to the section Audience and Visibility and select the option Page Setup. Click on the option Page Access. Now from here you are able to add the admin. Click on the option Add New. Click on Next. Now go ahead and search for the user to whom you want to add as admin. Once that person appears, select it. Now the person will be able to get access to the contents, messages and calls, community activity, ads and insights. If you want to give this person full control, enable for this option. Now to confirm this change, you will need to type in your password. Now the selected person will receive request whether this person want to be admin of this page or not. If the person accepts your request, the person will be added as admin for this page. And that's it. This is how you can easily add admin on Facebook page. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.